Hey everybody. I'm not sure if you go through as many eggs as we do, but whether you own chickens, ducks, or buy your eggs, make sure to save those eggshells to amend your garden with calcium. I've actually heard from garden experts that you shouldn't bother putting eggshells into your compost because they take way too long to break down and it isn't worth it. I guess we'll just have to agree to disagree. Here's a quick tip on how we use our eggshells to amend our garden soil. After I crack and use my eggs, I give the shells a quick rinse so I don't get egg slime everywhere. Once washed, I set the eggshells out to dry for a couple of days. You could also put them in the oven on low for a few minutes if you're impatient, as cooking them isn't going to hurt the calcium that's in the shells. After they've dried, I crush them up and put them through an old coffee grinder I got at Goodwill. I think I paid a couple of bucks for it. The grinder is only used for eggshells so as not to cross-contaminate or end up with salmonella poisoning. If you don't want to use a coffee mill, that's fine. You can use a mortar and pestle or other. Grinding the eggshells into a powder allows them to break down and release calcium into the soil or compost a lot more readily. I like to put the powdered eggshells into a container that has a shaker lid, like an old Parmesan shaker or similar to that. Then shake and rake this powder into all of the beds that require a calcium amendment in the fall, so they'll be able to be ready for the next year's gardening. Even if you don't grind the shells into a powder, crush them up and throw them into your new compost and allow them to add calcium over time. This isn't meant to be an instant infusion of calcium, but an amendment that will, over time, help your gardening soil. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our videos and want to help us out, please like this video and subscribe. If you know someone who would like our videos, make sure to share, as this really helps our channel out. Again, thanks, and see you soon.